Hello and welcome to Gino's Garden. What I'm going to do is show you this morning one way of feeding birds or anything, whatever animal comes up to it, with ordinary things that are in your house. Old bread, you know, save it, freeze it. When you want to use it, you can use it. In this case, I got some hot dog buns. They're a little stale. These are about 80 cents to 85 cents a pack, so they're cheap. And everyone has pancake syrup in your cupboard. Well, this brand, because it has no label, was $1.08. So get the cheapest stuff. Now, what I do is, you get your roll, open it up, or a piece of bread, whatever you have, doesn't matter. And I open it up, and I'll push it down a little bit. And then I'll get the syrup and put that syrup over the whole bread. Let it soak in a little bit. Okay? That's it. Just like that. Whatever you want. You know. Let's see here. Everything's still clean. So if you want to clean your hand, yeah. That's pancake syrup. Now you let it sit a little bit. Now what I use is, this is a suet holder. Now if you have one laying around, you don't want to put any suet in, that's fine. Just open that up. I seen this works pretty good, but any kind of a cage you have, or just let the bread out with the syrup on it. We're going to put it on here, see if anything, you know, comes down to eat. Now, you let this set for a little bit until it's soaked in, and you get your bread, and we're just going to fold it up and put it inside here. Just like this. And I always put the syrup side out. There, let's get both hands. Push that in. Alright. I'll get the other one. Fill that up. Just like that. Put the top on. And what we're going to do, we might put a little syrup in this here. I have a little bit of bird seed in there. So, let's see what happens. Let's have the camera rolling all day. Let's see what comes down to visit. Wasn't that great? We had squirrels, brown birds, a red-headed woodpecker, and we also had a kiskadee flycatcher. They kind of visit a lot here. The tree we're in is about 60 foot high. So we get a lot of species of birds and we'll be filming them. So until next time, ciao baby.